Are you familiar with this environment? Engineer Peter is designing a new component as part of a new technical concept. As soon as he is happy with this virtual conception, how long does it take to keep the first real part in his hand for continuing the product development? Too long. But why? His colleague Catherine, the procurement expert, is starting to hustle the sales managers of the suppliers to offer the best quotation. But this takes weeks, because the cost calculations for a proper offer relies heavily on the expertise of individuals who have handled this process for years and thus gained intensive experience. The manual alignment with all affected departments needs weeks to consider all contingencies and to fulfill the customer requirements. Mostly the transparency, traceability, pace and reliability leads to headaches for all involved stakeholders. Casculate addresses exactly this issue with an AI-based instant pricing solution. With our unique approach of training the latest machine learning models, with the data of historical product cost calculations, corresponding CAD files and drawings, specific production data from the manufacturing lines and the supportive information of the industry, Casculate delivers a real-time expert system. By using Casculate, even an unexperienced colleague is able to generate reliable and accurate product cost calculations within seconds by only using the customer requirements and CAD data or drawings as input. The experts have more capacity to add real value to their running projects with their expertise rather than focusing daily on repetitive calculations. Reference calculations can be that easy, fast and traceable by using Casculate. And the response time with quotations can be speed up massively to make your customers happier. Interested? Let's get in touch with our experts.